Hi, it's Stephanie Gilchrist from Coldwell Banker Horizon Realty. Welcome to 600 Sherwood at Enclave. This is an absolutely wonderful 3-bedroom unit. It is centrally located close to shopping and amenities in the Lower Mission in Kelowna, and it's absolutely beautiful with lots of natural light. Let's take a look. This is a really wonderful location. It is very close to the beach, coffee shops, grocery store, and schools. It's not gonna last long, so give me a call today and we'll book a private tour.